Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete event on Facebook page. Open your Facebook account. There, in the left side panel, click on See More and then click on Events. After that, click on the menu of your event. Select the option Cancel Event. In the pop-up window, you can cancel or delete the event. In this case, we check the box, Delete Event. We click on Confirm. In a moment, your event will have been deleted from Facebook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.